Check out these winds, guys. Check out these winds. Look at this truck in front of me. It is rocking. It is pretty bad. Look at them trees. Them trees are, they're pretty bad. I'm in between two containers because, Jesus Christ, this wind is no joke. It is pretty bad. Look at this truck just rock. The container on the side of me is also rocking. Boy, these winds are strong today. I was pretty heavy, so I was good. But right now when they offload me and I go return this empty, that's gonna be a mission. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. For instance, look at this truck. It is rocking out here. These winds are crazy. If you see my camera moving, it's because my truck is rocking right now. But yeah, it's pretty bad out here, guys. If you can avoid coming to Ontario or Fontana, avoid coming up here today, because these winds are no freaking joke. They are pretty bad. Look at them trees back there. That's how bad it is. I just decided to get in between two containers to stop my truck from rocking, but it's still rocking. So, yeah, guys, if you can avoid coming over here, don't come over here. Avoid getting on bridges, on high bridges, because yeah, these winds are dangerous today. It is not good at all. All right, if you're out there driving, drive safe, be safe. We'll see you guys in our next video.